Hi, what's up everybody? Hope everyone's okay out there. It's been a crazy month. Stay safe everybody. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be new content every week. In this video, I'll teach you how to put on contact lenses. First, you want to start off with dry, clean hands. This demonstration will be on my right eye. I have my contact lens on my right hand and my middle finger. I'll use my middle finger of my left hand, pull my eyelid up, and then the pointer finger, my eyelid down, and then bringing my middle finger of my right hand, insert the contact lens. And just like that. Now it's your turn. So watch me again. This will be on my right eye. Ta-da! Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be new weekly content making for you. Peace out.